Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I will show you how you can install IPA file on any iPhone without computer, without jailbreak. Let's start the process. First of all, you need to go to this website. I will put the web page link in the description. Then simply hit on eSign DNS and hit allow to download the profile. Once profile downloaded, then go to the settings and then install the DNS profile.
Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat.
After installing the profile, now you will see eSign Coin app on your iPhone.
You don't understand the pain it brings.
Now open eSign app and then hit on eSign certificate to download the certificate.
You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo.
Just make sure save the eSign certificate into the My Files folder in your iPhone.
Got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh.
Now open the eSign page again, and then hit any of the eSign link to download eSign app. If it got some errors or don't install, then simply try the other link. Try the eSign Aldo group link and install it. It worked for me.
Everything that you did, that you said, I don't think you understand what you're doing. And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing. I feel like not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
There we go. Our eSign app is installed properly. Now simply go to the settings, then open General, then open VPN and Device Management, then open Aldo Group, then simply hit Trust.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing. And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing.
Now we can use the eSign app, but first of all, we need to install the eSign certificate in it. Now hit three dots on top, and then hit Import option. Now select the downloaded eSign certificate, the one we downloaded earlier. Now hit on the eSign certificate, and then unzip it. Now open the eSign certificate unzip folder. Now we need to select the eSign certificate file from this folder. To select the right eSign app certificate, simply go to your settings.
Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm.
Then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
Now here you can see our eSign app is from Aldo Group. Now go back to the eSign certificate and hit the Aldo Group certificate, and then hit Import Certificate Management. Then you will get imported successfully notification. That's it. Now we are ready to install any IPA. Simply download your IPA file and open the eSign app. Then hit on three dots and hit on Import option, and then select your downloaded IPA file. Once IPA imported successfully, then hit on Apps option. There you will see your app IPA file. Now hit on the IPA and hit on Signature. Tab again on Signature. Now simply hit Install. There we go. As you can see, I have successfully installed an IPA file on my latest iPhone without computer and without jailbreak. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe.